Hello friends, welcome to the Technical Study Place YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about what are the applications of computer graphics. Okay, so applications for we can say applicable or applied we can say. Okay, applied means applied is the another word of the applications means for computer graphics what we can apply in the computer graphics what we can apply it. Okay, through the computer graphics what we can apply it, so what we will get the result means for computer applications what are its applications, what are its benefits. So these are the applications. So what all are the applications, let's see one by one. So here is the first point, computer aided design. Okay, in the short form we call it as CAD. So computer aided design is nothing but it is a software. Okay, and it is used in building and structural design. So for the building purpose in the computer graphics we will use this software, and for the tools, yes, for the tools developing the design in the computer graphics, for this we will use this software. For automobiles, aircraft, ships, spacecraft, chips, these are the microchips, and these aircrafts and automobiles are also being used for the uh, computer graphics in through 3D software. Now I will show you some images also so that you will get a clear idea of that. Okay, and for optical systems, okay, and telephone and computer networks also we use the CAD software for developing these things through this software for computer graphics. Let's see some images so that you will get a complete idea. Okay, here are some images of building structure. Okay, here are some building structure through CAD software, computer aided design. Through this software we can develop building images or design. We can develop building design through CAD software in computer graphics. So tools also we can develop here. So you can see here some images also there. You can develop the automobiles, okay, and aircrafts you can develop, ships you can develop. See here, like this, similar to this many kinds of things you can develop. So chips means like this type you can develop. Not only this type, you can develop similar to this many types of, okay, similar to this many types of you can things developed through CAD software in computer graphics. Okay, and next is telephone. Like these many types of different types of based on your vision, based on your thinking, you can develop different types of these things in computer graphics using CAD software. Okay, now I have written here 2 points. Let's see, uses wireframe outline form. So if you have noticed these two images, then you can develop these automobiles and aircraft using CAD software, computer aided design. But one thing is in these two images are common. So what is that? Is nothing but the, you can see a wire to wire it is connected. Okay, here also wire to wire connected, and it has been made a whole design. It has been made a whole design of automobile. It has been made a whole design of aircraft or aeroplane. Okay, so we are developing a image, or we are developing something, or we are designing through wireframe. Okay, in graphics we are designing in through wireframe. Okay, on connecting the wire, and we are designing it, we are developing it. Okay, so this is the one of the important point in the CAD. And next is some CAD software. Okay, one is QCAD, NX, CATIA V5. These are the different versions of CAD. Yeah, I will show you some logo for NX logo, CATIA V5 and QCAD. Okay, I hope you have understood this one, this first point. Computer aided design, in the short form we call it as CAD, and it is this software. And through this software we can design many things such as um, buildings, tools, automobiles, aircraft, spacecraft, chips, telephone and computer network. These are many things we can develop through wire by frame, means while connecting the wire and joining the wire through, we can develop the many things and we can design it. And after designing we can learn many things from that. Okay, and these are the some software names, means different CAD versions, that is QCAD, NX and CATIA Wi-Fi. I hope you have understood the first point. Let's move to the second point. in computer graphics, for what purpose we use in the computer graphics in the medical fields. Okay, let's see this. Second point is medical applications. 2D colorful images of cross sections of human body or other organs are produced. Then their 2D images transformed to computer graphic tools. Surgeons use this rehearsal. Means whatever your body image is there, if we have put it that body hand in one machine or graphical machine or graphical tool, then we get inner body image, or that image we will get in the 3D form, inner body image. So something we will get, and that is used by the surgeons for their rehearsal. So I will show you some image. So if your hand is put it in the machine, on inside the machine, so we will see your bones. So inner body, whatever this is there, that we will see. So here are some teeth that has been not good, some teeth, some cavity has been happened. So like this we can see in graphically. Okay, so that the 2D form will be seen in the 3D form. That organs we can see that after the cross sections of the human body, we can see the visualization of that image body, which in the 3D form we can say. In the graphical, using graphics tools, we can see it. Okay, and that is used by surgeon for the rehearsals. So basically surgeons can't try or can't use or can't practice in the first time in the directly from the body. First they will learn from the graphics, then they will from the real body, real time experience they will see. First they will learn from the graphics na, from the graphics tools on the graphic images. From this they will learn after they will practice rehearsal. Okay, so first the surgeons will practice in the through graphics tools, they will practice rehearsal. After that they will go for the real practical. I hope you have understood this. In the for this medical fields, surgeons will be used the graphical tools to see the inner body images, or some cavities happen in the inside the body, into clear cut images what are happened to the teeth, and something it has been transformed the human body to organs in the visualization in the graphics. in the graphics in the graphical representation they will see that. Okay, I hope you understood this, for what purpose in this graphical tools used in the medical fields. So let's move to the next point: entertainment, making music videos, cartoons, animation, video games. Okay, so obviously we will see there's in the recent films, in the music videos, many graphics have been used. Cartoons and animation is whole made up of with the graphics only. And obviously in the video games, big some many things are will be there. Many things, monsters will be there, and big buildings will be there, I have shown you some images also of buildings. So many things will be there that is the entertainment, and that is made up of the graphics, computer graphics. Okay, let's move to the next point, that is computer arts. In the computer arts, many things will be there. I have written two things: one is infopics, and second one is fashion arts. Infopics means one image will be there. In that image, many information or many data will be there. So only the image, from that image only we can understand many things will be there. From that you can learn many things. Okay, so and second one is fashion arts. So infopics means one image is there, one for example on boy is standing in that, and that contains many kind of information, and that we are transferring to another person. So this is the infopics. And next one is fashion arts. So you can see it on the different brands or different apps. The fashion things will be there, fashion brands will be there, will weighed in different style or dresses. So I will show you in some one image. So this one doll is there, actually this is a girl or doll, so having branded scarf, something branded dress, so something like that fashion arts will be there. Okay, next one is cartography. In the cartography, many things, so again this many things will become, such as representation of geographical maps. Yes, geographical maps we can develop, and weather maps will be there. They will show in some years back, some shows will become, I think you have noticed in the movies or something in the YouTube. so that they will explain that show. In that show, one anchor will be there. He will see the map and they will tell that here and here rain will be coming, something like this. Oceanographic charts will be there. Here a spelling mistake is there. Contour will become Contour. Counter maps will become, means charts are will be there. Population density maps will be shown, means some maps will be there, different types of maps that will be generated by the cartography in the graphical computer graphics. So let's see some images so that you can get an idea. So these are the geographical maps, and this geographical maps is generated by the cartography, and this will come in the cartography only, and this is generated by the computer graphics in the computer system. Okay, so this is the oceanography maps, and these all are images generated by the in the graphics in the cartography. Okay, these are the weather maps. These all images done by the graphic system only. Okay, so let's move to the next point, that is simulation and virtual reality. Simulation means we have made something that is working according to their it is, if you have made something, if you have made some design or something else that is working from there only, from they are working themselves only. Okay, I hope you are getting this. If you have designed something, it is working according to it only. It is working like robots only, means it is working according to it only. Okay, and next is virtual reality, means in the visualization in the 3D form, uh, in the working means visualizing in the real time experience. Okay, for what purpose this we will use, means virtual reality in the complex mechanism, chemical and industrial processes are stimulated with the help of graphics and video animation to train the workers for process operations. For I will give you a simple example, so you will get the answer. So we'll get an idea what is simulation and virtual reality. So for what purpose computer graphics has been developed? For the American Navy, American military purpose. For them, computer graphics has been developed. And for what reason? Because when the new persons are coming for the navy and for the army, they had to ride the aircraft. So if the trainer and the newcomer will sit on the aircraft, so if newcomer had made a little kind of any kind of mistakes in the aircraft while riding, so that aircraft will crash, that aeroplane aircraft will crash, and loss of billions of dollar, and the two losses of life. Okay, and suppose if the two people are riding that aeroplane, and if bomb blasting will be there, and if they have thrown the bomb from the plane in their field only, then there will be a big problem. Okay, so for this for the real time practice, before that they should have the visualization practice, virtual reality, real time experience in visualizations. For that they have been developed the computer graphics. In that computer graphics, for what purpose they have been developed? For the simulation purpose, simulation concept, they have been developed the computer graphics. Let me show you some images. So here are the some images so that you can get an idea. So here is the military person wearing a device on his head, and he is controlling something. So he is having a real time experience, so that he is only riding currently now aircraft. So he will have a experience in visualization in 3D form. Okay, in graphics. Okay, so this is called as simulation and virtual reality. So let's see more images. So same here. So he is also having a real time experience that he is riding something. So in reality he is sitting on the chair only. So similar to this only. Okay, so here nothing will be there, but after wearing this device, so he's getting an idea something, he is there, and he is touching this, and he is feeling something that it is something there, and it is I am touching here, and I am doing this real only. So he is getting a real time experience from this device, and this is called as simulation and virtual reality. I hope you are understanding this. So here nothing will be there, no test tubes and no this chemicals, and nothing will be there. So by wearing this device they are feeling a real-time experience. So here one machine has been sent to the Mars, and these people are experiencing a real-time experience. So what is this doing and that all, okay. And here one person is weared a device on his head, so from this they are seeing this body operation image, body operationing by visually, okay. And this is called as simulation and virtual reality. They are taking it as real time experience, okay, in visualizations, and this is called as simulation and virtual reality. I hope you have got this. So let's move to the next point, that is 7 point, desktop publications, and we call it in the short form we can also say DTP, okay. And in the desktop publications also we can use graphics, such as production of journals, printing newsletters, book publishing, and many more things. So while printing the letter paragraphs in the newspaper, while printing the images, so in every newspaper they will not draw, so they will once draw and put it in the system, so automatically it will be printed. And many newspapers, so for this purpose also graphics is used in publications, okay, for different types of news printing, letters, and book publishings, and for the journal purpose, so different types of things, and it has graphics used in desktop applications also. And next thing, another important is graphical user interface, and we call it as GUI. So use of in the GUI, use of control items such as buttons, menus, mouse, icons, and scroll bars, and made easy to learn something. So these buttons, menus, mouse, icons, and scroll bars are all the items, okay. So from this we can design in the GUI interface, okay. This GUI is the tool basically. In this, these all our items are there. From this we can design something, and after writing the code, or we can design something, and this made us easy to learn and easy to think. Let me show you some images of GUI so that you can get an idea. So this is the GUI uh, tool after opening it. These are the some items which are just not told now. So I will tell you this what all these are. All are, first one is pointer, second one is picture box, third one is label, text box, frame, command button. This is command button. What is command button means, you have seen here in the while in the login or registration, so login button will be there, okay, and registration button will be there. After filling all the information, one button will be there called as register, or called as login. So what is that? That is a button, okay. That is only command button. You can change it as command button to some other name as login, registrations. This is that, okay. And next one is checkbox, list box, and H scroll bar, and V scroll bar, okay. And combo box, sorry, this one is combo box, and this one is list box, and this is the timer, and this is drive list box, shape, line, image, data, and OLE. These all are many things are there. You just need to know this currently now. Just I am showing you a just image of that tool, okay. And if you want to use these tools and in the surface, so just you have to click on this button, and take the cursor here, and you just have to drag here. So I will show you one. So after dragging here, you will get a button like this. So different types of things will be there using this tool, so you can generate, okay. So after this you can write a code here, so after that it will work exactly what you want, how you want, okay. So this is the use of the GUI. So in the GUI also we can use the graphics. And let's move to the next point, and that is internet. Use of graphics over internet means obviously everything is connected to internet only. So obviously in the internet is the using internet only we can generate and we can design or we can develop many and many things. And last one is presentation graphics, representation of data in the pictorial form. Yes, pictorial form means in the form of image, in the form of charts, in the form of graphs. We are developing or we are designing or we can doing presenting in the graphics of in the graphics field. Okay, in the graphics of the graphics we are developing in the developing the charts. So we you can have been seen for example uh, charts means you have seen in the share market or cryptocurrency something arrow will be there in downside to downside up, it has been raised the amount, it has been raised the share market, and many things will be there in the weather forecasting also. You can see, you mean say something charts will be there, and this arrow will be going up, and rain falling will be there, and many things will be there, and that is all called as pictorial form. So this is the representation of graphics. So I have told 10 applications of 10 applications of computer graphics. So let's see which one are important in this and which one are basics in this. Okay, so obviously first one is important, very important. So what are the important, I will tell you now. For that reason only the applications have been made, the applications have been developed. So you have to must write this these points which I am telling as important. So for this reason only the applications has been developed. If you have missed these points only, then what is the use? Okay, so first one is important, computer aided design. So medical applications is also important, second one. Third one is basic. Okay, and entertainment means obviously entertainment means this world will be it will be in your mind only, so remember. So cartography is also important. So one thing I have told that, so contour make it as contour, TOUR. Okay, spelling mistake is there. After that simulation and virtual reality is also important, and GUI is it is also important. And this is the basic internet and presentation of graphics. So these all are the points. So what all the things I have told 5-6 points which is important, that points we have to must write in the exam. So because that for that purpose only the applications has been developed in the computer graphics. So remember that these points you have to must write, so that the checking examiner will know that you know many things in the computer graphics. So after if you have wrote that, the examiner will think like that only. So in this video only this much. If you have any kind of doubts, please comment below. The comment section is open for you all only. And if you have notes, the website link is given in the description. And if you want PDF, that also it is been given in the description. If you want to follow, you can follow us on Telegram. In this video only this much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.